Let me discuss the practical 4 in MCWC. For the practical 4, the aim of the practical is like prepare the wireless and ad hoc network and show its working. So here the configuration of ad hoc network in Windows 7. Later on we will discuss in uh, the Wi-Fi configuration in Windows 10 as well as Windows 8. So for the Wi-Fi wireless ad hoc network, the ad hoc network it is the local area network that can you build the spontaneously in the pinch. It allows the computer and device to communicate directly with each other. Whenever you create the Wi-Fi hotspot, so it is the ad hoc network. It is totally different from infrastructure network. We are all familiar with the theory concept of ad hoc versus infrastructure mode. So the ability to create the ad hoc network has been possible since XP and is the way to quickly share the data and internet connection to the other wireless devices. For this tutorial, you will need to the host computer to hardwire and have the wireless capability such as a network or loop. So create an ad hoc network in Windows 7. So click on the open start menu and type the wireless into the search box. So you can show this type of a figure. So click on the manage wireless network by clicking on the start button here, search button. So by clicking the wireless network, type the word wireless, so you got the manage wireless network. Then by clicking the manage wireless network, click the add button to add the wireless network. The next step, you require to click on the add button. So after clicking on the add button, click on the next click on the create an ad hoc network. So this is the two category. First, how manually create an network, manually create a network profile, and second one, create the ad hoc network. This create the temporary ad hoc. It is the temporary network for sharing the file to the internet connection. And whenever you click on the manually create of the network profile, so this create a new network profile or locate an existing network and save the profile for the network on your computer. So you need to know the network name. You must familiar with the SSID and the security key. You also required to know about the security key. So this is the two way you can manage the you can create the ad hoc network. So what do you mean by SSID? SSID. You will get a message instructing you what an ad hoc network is. Then Set up the wireless ad hoc network. So an ad hoc network, it is sometimes called the computer to computer connectivity or temporary file sharing system by using the multiple computers and device. And computer device in the ad hoc network must have within the 30 feet of each other. So here the distance between two devices. Then if you are currently connected with the wireless network, you might be disconnect when you set up this network. So Wi-Fi or wireless connectivity, you must disconnect to create the ad hoc network. Then this configuration, the network name, and choose the security option by giving the proper name of the network. So whatever you can write in the network name, you select the WPA security for the personal area network. This is the type of security. Then also you mention the security key. Then wait while the network is created. So it required up to 2 minutes to set up the network. The network after successfully completed, the so you got this type of a message with the network that will appear the list of wireless network, and it is the active until everyone disconnect it from, and give the network name as well as security key to the people if you want to connect with the network, people that want to connect with the network. So by this way we can create the Wi-Fi wireless ad hoc network. Verify the network by clicking the wireless icon on the taskbar. Here you can see the hour is waiting for the user to connect Wi-Fi network. So this is the uh, ad hoc network. Number of devices connected with the ad hoc configuration. On the client computer, click on the wireless icon, so available network, and connect to the ad hoc network. So by clicking on the connect, you can connect with the wireless network. Then on the host machine, you can see the all the other computer is connected to the ad hoc network. Then wireless network connection properties. Here internet connection sharing option. So by clicking on the checkbox, you can allow the other network user to connect through this computer as well as internet connection. And the second checkbox, it is used for the other network user to control or disable the share internet connection. In the setting, you can select the network service the client machine can access. So this is the POP protocol, POP3 version protocol. It is nothing but the post office protocol version. Now you can share the document and internet connection between the machine and device. In this example, we are sharing between the Windows 7 desktop with the wireless card and netbook with Windows 7 Home Premium. Windows 10 or Windows 8, if we require to create the ad hoc network, so it is the manual entry. If you would like to manual enter the command or instruction that required for the Windows 8.1, Windows 8 or Windows 10, so for that we require to command prompt. So here let me start with the CMD. In this command prompt we require to enter the command like First, this command net sh wlan show the network. So why we required this command? It required to show the all network in range including the ad hoc and run the following command in the command prompt. So it shows the available network in the ad hoc range. So first we try this command. So in my laptop, the Wi-Fi signal available like SSID. SSID is nothing but the service set identifier. SSID is the name for the Wi-Fi network. So SSID, it is the available Wi-Fi network. For example, whenever we entered in the public area and we click on the Wi-Fi signal, so available Wi-Fi signal nearest in our public area is list out in our devices. So it is nothing but the SSID. It is the service set identifier. Then this is my available network MIA3. So whenever we click on this Wi-Fi network, the available network is MIA3. I connected. Then second step, for the second step we required in the command prompt for the setup of the ad hoc network in Windows 10. So go to network and sharing center. So by clicking on the network and sharing center, just type in the search box network and sharing center, that available network and sharing center. Go into the network and sharing center. Then after click on the network and sharing center, we required to set up the new network connection or network. So we just click on the new, set up the new connection. Here set up a new connection for the network. Then next step, it is the manually connect to the wireless network. So we create on the manually connect to the wireless network. Here third step, manually connect to the wireless network, that connect to the hidden network or create a new wireless profile. Then just click on the next. Now name of the network. So here the name of the network that contain the SSID available in our search result. It is the MI space A3. It is the type infrastructure. Right now this is the infrastructure mode. Authentication, it is the WPA, personal authentication, and encryption, CCMP. So here in the next step, enter the SSID of the ad hoc network as shown, net SHWLAN shown in the networks. We already this result is generated in the command prompt. Then network name field. Here the network name field is given. So MIA3 is our network SSID or network field name. So simply we type MI space A3. Then here security, click the security, it is WPA personal. Then encryption type AES, security key, you can enter the security key by clicking the hide the character, you can hide. Then connect even the network is not broadcasting, so as it is. Then the next step, configure the security setting, configure the security setting accordingly. Uncheck the start this connection automatically and click on the next button. So just click on start this connection automatically. Yeah, means uncheck. It is the important. Then click on the next. So I remove this and next. Here the value of security key must be required 8 to 63 characters and case sensitive. So I change this key. Then name of the network is MIA3. Then security is WPA2 personal security. Here I give the security key. Security key you can choose any security key, but security key must be a 8 to 16 character and required alphanumeric characters and one symbol. Then uncheck this checkbox start automatically. Then click on the next. Use the existing network or choose a different name. So by clicking on the use existing network, just click on the use existing network, cannot show any message. But whenever we click on the new network, so for the new network we require to change the name. So I only change the name MI. Then here the security is same. Encryption key is AES. Here the password. So for the password you required again 8 to 16 character. Then uncheck this start connectivity automatically and click next. So this is the successfully added the ad hoc network. Then change the connection setting by click on the this but change the setting and open the connection property so that you can change the setting. Here the connection property for the new ad hoc network. It is the name of the ad hoc network MI Rajul. Then SSID, it is the same name. Then access point is created for the network. Then also it is the availability for the all user. It is publicly available. Then by clicking on this button connect automatically. So it look like the available network in around us. This is the security key. Here security key we applied. So by using this button you can show the characters. This is the advanced setting. Then just click and